We have here, we're doing a maintenance on a Sub-Zero refrigerator. Now this is one of the units. It has the condenser on the top, so you will need a ladder to get up top to do this maintenance. Very crucial. Also, you will have to pull the unit out. So this is not something that you probably can. Some of these units, you'll have to raise the legs or use an air lift or crane to remove the unit to get it to come out. And you got to be mindful off the water lines and the plug. So we're just vacuuming, removing all the lint and dust from over the years. And after this, we're going to use the vacuum, basically flip it around and turn it into a blower. And this will blow any excess dust that has built up over the years. And basically going to do a really good blow to get everything out. And of course, while you're there, get the top, the sides, get it all blown out nicely. And make sure you wear a mask. It's pretty dusty. Other than that, once everything's done, slide your fridge back, put your cover on, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.